Welcome to .NET Code Snippet with Food Code Project. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add food item names to database. In my previous video, I already shown you how to generate food item numbers. That is nothing but a food item ID. In left side video, you can see the image there is food item type number equal to something ID is displaying here. This is the auto generator ID. I already shown you in my previous video how to generate this. Before go through this video, I strongly recommend you to view this video. Okay, now let's create the database for food item type master. Here I already created a food item type master table with two column names. One is food item type number, food item type name. The database are varchar 20 and varchar 30 here, and I have mentioned a primary key for food item type number because I don't want to allow any duplicate value for food item type number. That's the only reason I just put as a primary key. There is no data in the database table, you can see here. Now let's add the data to this data table from window form, that is food code item form. Let's open the Visual Studio. In this food code, I already created a food item type form here. Just click on here. You can see the design page. Added two labels. One is food item type number and food item name, and one text box for food item type IDs to generate here, and another text box is to enter the food item type names here. And the food item type ID text box is read only. We can't enter any value in that. It will display the auto generated ID to this table text. Let me show you one image here. Here I design here one food item types in here. The pizza, burger and cold drink, these all are the food item type names here, because whenever we see whenever you went to the food court, you can see that there is a board like pizza, under there is a sub menu: veg pizza, chicken pizza, spicy pizza, cheese pizza, and burger, veg burger, chicken burger. So the whenever I click and add button, the whatever data I enter on this food item type name and whatever data we get auto generated ID, that will store to this database table here. So before this, I have to I already told you a project was developed in Theta architecture. For that, I want to create the three projects. One is business logic and business object and database logic. In database logic, I have to write the inside. Here I am using as a store pieces. Let me show you store pieces I already defined here. This is the code I written for the store pieces to store food item type master. Here I mentioned as a food item number, f item number, f item name. Inside food item master value, I am passing this parameter here. I have to call this store procedure name here. I have to pass here. Let me create food item business objects here. Here I already created a food item business object, that is food item type objects, food item type number and food item type name, because we need to pass these two values to database. That's the only reason I declare as a automatic property food item type number, food item type name. We have to use this food item type object throughout the project. For that, I have to consume this class to this database. For that, I have to import this namespace in this database class here. So you see, I imported this food code business object here. First we need to declare here SQL connection. I will declare SQL connection here. To inserting food item types, I declare a method here, that is public int insert food item type and business logic I'm creating object for this business object class, and this data type, and this method is nothing but whenever I insert this insert food item query, if the inserted is successfully done to the database, this integer return the integer type, return the integer type. To insert food item type, I declare a method here, public int food item type name, and in parentheses I declare a business object. Object is created as BO object here for business object class. Here you see I return a integer is a data type for this method. That value is nothing but an integer. Let's come to the code. I open a connection here, and in SQL command I pass the command text, that is nothing but a stored procedure name, insert food item type name here, that is this stored procedure name, and I passing connection here. This line is nothing but we are telling that we are working with the stored procedure. cmd command type equal to this command is nothing but it's not a query, we are working with the stored procedure. This is a stored procedure value I'm passing here, thus we are telling to this code. And here command parameter value, we are passing the parameter values through this business object, food item type number, object name food item type number, and the object name food item type name here. When these inserted successfully, this you can see this execute non-query is return type is hint. When this insert query is successfully, this execute command and query return an integer value that I am assigning to that int I value. And connection closed. After successfully inserting and closing connection, that integer value returning here, assign here. Now this method return the integer value to business logic and is invoked here. Here we see the add button code here. In this add button code, I created an object for business object, and this business object food item name equal to I'm assigning this food item type ID to this object, and the food item type name to this food item type name object, and I'm passing this food business object values to this method add food item type names. We already imported the business logic and business object namespace here. So here I declare an integer because the return type of this add food item type is integer. So whatever value is returned, I want to assign to this I. If this successfully inserted, the I get some value, that is 1. If I greater than 0, then it will be display this message label record insert successfully. And this code is whatever add button I this here, it doesn't allow again to click event to raise. It disable the click event. If when I click on new record, again it's come to the normal position, and it's clear all this label data and food item types name clear, and this food item type number will be new ID. When I click this new record button, let me see practically. add login the admin login because the food item data can be inserted only admin food item type. You see the data is display automatically, and you can see the table is empty. There is no data in here. I'm adding is pizza. Add. Here is a label is displayed. The food item number is record inserted successfully, and you can see the add button will be disabled here. You can't. It's visible, but you can't click on this again because this data is already in database, so you can't insert same data. When you click on new record, the label will be data will be removed, and this food item number, whatever data is, it generate new id. That is mean here it displaying 1, so it display 2, and this text box data will be empty. You can see here, you see the record is showing as 2, there is empty, and now you can add another record burger. You can see, okay? Like that we can add as many as food and, okay, like that we can add as many food item names to the database. In my next video I'm going to show you how to add food item names here. In this food item names, you can see a food item types has been displayed here. Whatever I added, that will be showing here. How is displaying, I will show in my next video.
Hi, welcome to .NET Code Snippet with Food Code Project. In this video, I'm going to show you overview of Food Code Project. Uh, yeah, I want to log in admin account first. We discuss about admin account, then after we come to the employee tab, employee login.